Hi, I'm Bobby with Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical. Today, we're diving into some crucial changes to air conditioning systems in 2025. With new EPA regulations around the corner, our homes are about to become more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. But what does this mean for homeowners like you? Let's explore some of these changes together and understand how they can impact your home and your budget. The new regulations aim to increase energy efficiency and reduce environmental impact by requiring higher efficiency standards and the use of advanced refrigerants. Now, this is a big win for the planet, but it also brings changes for homeowners and companies like Golden Rule who install and maintain these systems. One of the major impacts of these new regulations is a projected 20 to 25% increase in the cost of these air conditioning installations. This increase is driven by the need for more sophisticated technology and a stricter installation practice. So here's some inside information. Existing AC equipment, like this one, manufactured under the old guidelines, will stop being made at the end of this year. Some manufacturers are already scaling back productions on these older units to focus on developing the new compliant models. This shift means that availability of current models will decrease, potentially leading to higher prices even before the new regulations take effect at the beginning of the year. So, what can you do as a homeowner to prepare for this? If your current AC unit is in good shape and well maintained, you might not need to worry about it just yet. But if you're considering replacing your system within the next couple of years or so, it might make sense to do so before the 2025 changes take effect. By acting now, you could avoid the price hike and take advantage of some of these existing models. Our goal is to educate and support you through these changes. The 2025 regulations are new and we're learning more every month about their potential impact. Consider us your trusted partner because we treat your home like it's our own. If you have any questions or need any guidance, feel free to reach out to us at Golden Rule. We're always ready to help you make informed decisions for your home and your wallet. If you're interested in learning more, here are 3 ways you can stay informed. Subscribe for more updates. Stay informed about the latest developments in home maintenance and energy efficiency by subscribing to our channel. Consult us, contact Golden Rule for a free consultation to discuss your AC options and find the best solution for your needs in your home. And explore government resources. Check out the EPA website for more information on upcoming regulations and energy efficiency tips. Be sure to like and subscribe for more updates and tips on home maintenance. Stay cool, and we'll see you next time.